Hello my dear students. Today I will discuss about some questions and answers. The topic name is Database and Dbms and Introduction Part 2. The next slide contains the question and answers. Question number D. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Define database, data redundancy, data inconsistency, and Dbms. Question number A. Database. A database is a collection of logically related and similar data. It stores similar kind of data that is organized in a manner so that information can be derived from it. Number B. Data redundancy. Data redundancy is the process of storing same data at multiple locations. Number C. Data inconsistency. Data inconsistency means having different data value for the common fields in the different files. Number D. Dbms. Dbms stands for Database Management System. It is a software system for creating, organizing, and managing database. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 2. Give the full form of Dbms. List 3 commonly used databases. Dbms stands for Database Management System. 3 commonly used databases are as follows. Number A. Railway Timetable. Number B. Airline Database. Number C. Telephone Directory. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 3. List the difference between file-oriented approach and database approach. The differences between file-oriented approach and database approach are as follows. In file-oriented approach, data redundancy is increased. But in database approach, data redundancy is minimized. Point number 2. In file-oriented approach, data inconsistency is increased. But in database approach, data inconsistency is reduced. Point number 3. In file-oriented approach, data is not shared. But in database approach, data is shared. Option number 4. In file-oriented approach, uncontrolled concurrent access gives security problems. But in database approach, controlled access gives improved security. Next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 4. Data redundancy provides opportunity for data inconsistency. Explain. Answer. Data redundancy means storing the same data at multiple locations. During updating process, the common fields may not get updated in all files. These may result in different data values for the common fields in different files. For example, a student having different home address in 2 different files. This way, data redundancy provides opportunity for data inconsistency. Question number 5. Who proposed the relational data model? Name two relational databases. Answer. In 1970, E.F. Code proposed the relational data model. The names of two relational data models are as follows: Oracle and Microsoft SQL Server. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 6. Name the objects and data types in relational data model. The objects of relational data model are as follows. Number A, table. Number B is forms. Number C is queries. Number D is reports. The data types of relational data model are as follows. The options are number A, text. Number B, memo. Number C, number. Number D, date and time. Number E, currency. Number F, auto number. Number G, yes or no. Question number 7. Define the terms. Option A, table. Table is a collection of logically related records which is represented in a matrix of rows and columns. Number B, record. Record is a group of data for related field. Records make up rows of a table. A record is also known as tuple. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Option C, field. Field is data category. Fields make up the columns of a table. Fields are also called attributes. Next, number D, key. A key uniquely identifies a row in a table. Number E, data value. A field receives different types of values. That values are known as data value. Data values are text and number types normally. Question number 8. What is the purpose of the key in relational data model? Answer. The purpose of key in relational data model is that it uniquely identifies a row in a table. Question number 9. What is the meaning of following field properties? Answer A. Field size. It sets the maximum size for data stored in a field. Number B. It chooses the way numbers, date, time and text are displayed and printed. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Number C. Decimal places. It is valid for number and currency data types. It specifies the number of digits to be displayed to the right of the decimal point. Number D. Default value. It specifies a value that is automatically entered in a field when new record is created. Students, in this session I have discussed about some questions and answers of chapter 6. Hope all of you have understand this part of questions and answers very well. Thank you.